Reefuna tiftaa Ameerikaa jirtu fayyaa miti. You sleeping? You sleeping another boy or you sleeping empty boy?
Oh, do I be humping with boys or girls?
You sleeping empty
I be
man
humping
or you
boys.
sleeping single?
I hump men.
You
I
only?
don't be humping girls.
Thank you, Pash.
No scissors,
You
no
only?
scissors. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
BBC, BBC.
You have children?
BBC.
BBC is a FM
Yeah.
radio. It's BBC is FM radio. It's BBC
BBC.
FM radio. People. What you are the English refunatti manille wala. What you have
Baby,
training?
we don't know
You
what you're
have
saying.
dance training. You have working sport training. Which you have training?
Do I have training? I mean, it's like riding a bike. You really don't need a lot of training for it.
Ma walit abde dubbatti English kana guutu. It's
It's
step by
literally
step
like
English
riding a
talking
bike.
with. What are you training? You speak. You song training. You musician training. You dance training. You sport training. You are. What are you training?
I already told you it's like riding a bike. You don't need no type of training. I mean, you can get practice. I
Kasi wali
practiced
ma walit
before
abde kana taasoo
a
English
couple
kana
times
guutu
in a
amma
day.
Eh? If you have ready punishment, play another. Okay?
All
Okay?
right, let's go. Okay, let's go.
I know you have body, you have sporting training. Go 5 push up. This one. Push up. Push up. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. 5
Hell
push up.
no.
Hey,
That's for the next game. That's the next game. You can't make rules up now.
you are loser harder. You are loser. Nisimo
The
hatema
next
kanisimo.
game.
Inagar tormo. You have body. I know you have body. You have sporting. 5 push up. Hey, hey.
No, the next game.
Show me your stadium. Show me your stadium. Show me.
Baby, I don't know what you're saying.
I am speaking English Africa. What I say? I am it one. Yes.
Scared.
You have free space. You have free space.
Oh,
Free
free
damn space.
space. Yeah, I got free space. Free space.
Hey,
Where are you from?
I am every from.
Yeah?
I am Africa.
Oh, hi, I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia is good. You have how much you have years here? Nice. How much you have years professional everyday one time? How much you have years?
My years?
Yes.
21.
I am 21 years old underage. Yes, the same I am. The same I am. The same I am. I am 21, you are 21. The same time, the same. You are underage?
Yeah?
You underage? No underage?
No.
You are body everything space. You have body everything space.
Maksudnya?
You body profession body every good watermelon.
Yeah, whatever. Like.
Show me your watermelon.
No.
What?
You're so cute. Oh my god.
Why?
Gak tahu, aku pusing gue.
Watermelon is body. Everybody is living here. Is living here. Is here. She. No understand?
No.
Okay, stand up, I check you.
Hah?
Stand up.
Bodoh amat, gue nggak tahu bahasa lo bahasa apa.
Wait, speak English professional. What are you?
Keluar,
I
kok
love
keluar
you.
sih?
I am love you.
Halo Posto, I'll come tomorrow. Hi Rian.
I am love you.
Kok keluar sih emang kenapa emang? He's so cute. Oh thank you.
But
Guys, kali dua. Kali dua. Kali dua.
you love me.
Guys, kali dua.
I am very love you. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Every number, only number.
He's famous. Oh, hi,
Baby,
thank you.
baby,
Ayo guys.
baby,
Ya,
baby. You want to marry me?
no.
Why?
No, why?
Don't want my I am?
Ih, gue gak tahu lo siapa, bodo amat lah, pusing gue.
I want to searching every day one time professional exactly parent.
You know Lear?
No, I am not cartoon. I don't know. I am not cartoon. People, 21 years old, underage, the same 2 years, the same with you. People mad, but
Oh,
man, I love it one. Likis kisa.
Hello.
Wayo.
You know Lear?
No. I am sleeping
Lear.
halal. I am sleeping halal. I am only sleeping. I am only. No double. I am single. I am very single.
You know Lear?
What? Yeah? What is you say? Why?
Lear.
You are crazy head. You working not head.
No.
You head very crazy.
No.
Say listening my English professional my I am. What your English another expire English? What you speaking Trump expire English? Speaking English original African. Who are? You mean a Pakistan? Huh? Speak English professional original African. What are you speaking Trump expire? Huh? Come tomorrow. You very children. You very children. You very children. Come tomorrow.